Baa Baa Black Sheep, say hello. Your wool helps keep us warm, you know. Do you have some wool today to help us laugh and play? Yes, sir, sheep replied, with happy, gentle, loving pride. Yes, sir, 3 bags full. I have lots of fluffy wool. 1 bag is for my master. He is kind and works faster. 1 bag is for the dame. She always calls me by my name. 1 bag is for the boy who shouts with happy, simple joy. What will we do with wool? Make something warm and beautiful.
Thank you, Black Sheep, for promises that you do keep.
Hi, friends! Like and subscribe to Happy Nursery.